Alright, looks like we have another elevator to ride. I'm not sure what part of the hotel this is, but it goes down to the street. 2-speed door, I just noticed that. Ooh, it sounds like it's got an epic motor. But you have no working indicators. B? Oh, restricted floor, that's cool. Vents are a little bit messed up. Cab view. With the Vallet parking elevator, I guess. There you go. I guess B doesn't work. Yeah, this is restricted floor. Alright, here we go. Cool. Nothing too exciting there, but it has a good motor, I guess. There it goes. And that's it.